TikTok Shop, the most confusing and dangerous place for modern millennial women on the internet. In 2024, it is impossible to scroll down your TikTok feed without trying to be sold oil pulling, Stanley cups, hair products, really cheap clothing. So today, I bought some of these things because I'm very curious to find out, are these all scams? I have a good feeling that the majority of these are going to be scams. Starting off strong with the ugliest headbands you've ever seen. There is a trend on TikTok right now where people are talking about how if you put sunglasses on your head, they pull back your hair in the most perfect way, and people wish they could just wear sunglasses as headbands all the time, but you would look stupid if you did that. So we made a little piece of plastic. It's supposed to look like you're wearing sunglasses. Okay, so my take on this is that, yeah, it has the same shape as the sunglass, but it looks really stupid. Like from here, it's kind of cute. It gives off that, I'm at the beach, cutesy cutesy vibe. But in real life, this looks really weird. It looks really dumb. Like that looks so bad. Look at that up close. For the first thing that we've tried from TikTok Shop, this is a fail. 1 out of 10, I will literally never wear this. I can guarantee I will never wear this. The next thing on the list is also a headband. I thought the color of this was super cute, and if I went into Free People and tried to buy this, it'd probably be $40. But it was like $2 or something on TikTok Shop, or maybe even less than that. And first glance, beautiful, perfect, I love it. I was not expecting the result. And I'm not even sure exactly what it is about this headband that I hate. There's something weird going on here. Maybe an inch or two too thick, I don't understand. I don't know, because it doesn't seem that different from a normal headband, but every time I've tried to wear it, I've taken it off and not ended up wearing it. So I would also not suggest this one. This one I don't think is as viral. It's just something that I saw on TikTok Shop and was like, okay, I'll add it to the list for the video. But really not great. Really, I mean, obviously it's gonna be low quality. It was $2, but I feel like I could make this into a nice sock for one of my cats. You want a sock? He wants a sock. Here you go, you can have it. You want it, it's yours. Here you go. The next thing, this is the first good thing on the list, and as a good thing, it is actually a great thing. These sweatpants, so cheap. I'm pretty tall, so I have a hard time finding good sweatpants most of the time, but these are not only long enough on me, I also think they're pretty flattering. So let me show you. Check these bad boys out. Can you see this? This cross thing right here is the best. Most cozy sweatpants I might have at all. So that sort of gave me hope. I was like, okay, so TikTok Shop at this point, up until I tried the sweatpants on, basically Temu. Horrible scam, right? But these sweatpants kind of redeemed my hope. These next 3 things I have not opened and I have not tried. So you're gonna be getting my first raw reaction on here. This first thing is from NYX. It's like the actual makeup brand was selling it on TikTok Shop, but it was way cheaper than it would have been. So that seems like a good deal. This is the NYX Professional Fat Lip Drip Oil. It's supposed to be like a dupe for the Dior lip oil. I like the applicator. I sort of feel like that one character from Monsters Inc. when he gets his lip sucked off. I've tried the Dior lip oil before, and honestly, I think this might be better than that. I legitimately think this might be better. Wow, another win for the TikTok Shop. This next one came in such a cute packaging. Look at that. Zara, oh, don't look at that. Lash declumper, which I can't see there being any way for this one to be bad. Oh, that looks dangerous. So what I'm supposed to do with this is take this very scary looking, put it up. You guys gotta tell me if my eyelashes look any different doing this. I can't do it. I'm gonna have to go to a mirror. I feel like I'm surprised. This is actually not doing anything. Ugh. Oh, it just pulled an eyelash out. All right. I honestly see 0 difference here, so I'm gonna say this is probably not a scam because I do think it works, but it is a waste of money. And it did pull out an eyelash, which I'm not okay with. Okay, next up we have another pair of pants. They have the same front cross pockets, which I didn't realize, but that might be great, actually. Let me go try them on. Yeah, these are really ugly. The pockets, basically too small to do anything with. They're just very cheaply made, obviously. I'm gonna cut these up and make them into something else. I would not suggest getting these. These are not well made. But this next thing is extremely impressive. Just a couple days before I bought this, I bought a full puffer jacket from the mall for probably 50 bucks. And then I go on TikTok Shop and I find a puffer vest. These things are so popular right now. Found this for what, $4? Not only is it cute in my opinion, I know maybe it's not to some, it's very short. It's very, very cropped for sure. Like it's been getting cold and I've actually been wearing this out. Nobody can tell that it's super cheapo from TikTok Shop. You cannot justify spending $300 on a Lululemon one of these when this one is almost exactly the same. $300 worth of vest puff. No, what? I don't know, maybe for some people, but not for me. The last thing on the list, I can already tell you this is a really good one. I definitely don't regret getting this next one because it actually works. And I'm pretty sure it's a small business. Don't quote me on that. This is basically a flyaway killer. A stick of wax basically, but it's like hair safe wax. I've already tried it for like a slick back bun thing, but I've never done a successful half up, half down look. So that is what we're gonna be attempting today. I wanna see if this stuff is so good that it'll even work for me, who has never once done a half up, half down without having extremely bumpy hair on top. Okay, so this is what we're starting off with. That looks horrible, right? This is why I don't do half up, half down. Because I'm not sure if you can tell or not, but I have so many of these little flyaways sticking directly sideways. Okay, now I've got all the wax in my hair looking crazy. I'm gonna take my little fine tooth comb and brush it through here, make it all super smooth. That is so cute. And I think if I spent a little bit more time on that, I could make it even way more smoother than it is. I kind of messed up on my bangs right there. For 5 minutes worth of work on my hair. This is definitely the best product I've gotten on the TikTok Shop. I think that's a sign to look on the TikTok Shop for small businesses and buy from small businesses on TikTok Shop because it benefits them, it benefits you, you get a deal, and this is an awesome product. Overall, the majority of the stuff that I got was not good. So I would say proceed with caution. Do not be influenced to buy every single thing that you think you need because trust me, you don't need it. Half of this stuff I'm gonna need to repurpose into something else because it does not work for its intended purposes. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. I'm trying really hard to get to 2,000 subscribers, so I would love if you would help me out with that. And I will see you later. Goodbye.